serious health threats. We encourage residents to rely on verifiable source of information and remain calm. Next, I will introduce a team of experts throughout from this region. We are blessed to have some of the top public health officials with us today. With that, I will introduce to you Fort Bend County Health and Human Services Director, Dr. Jacqueline Minter, to provide an update on the individual situation.
At 4 p.m. this afternoon, I was notified that a person who resides in Fort Bend County has a presumptive positive test for COVID-19. The test was performed by the Houston Health Department Laboratory and is being sent to the Centers for Disease Control in Atlanta for confirmation. If confirmed, this represents the first positive COVID-19 case in the state of Texas from a non-repatriated person. This person is a man in his 70s who traveled abroad and became ill after his return to the U.S. He is currently hospitalized and in stable condition. As this case was associated with travel, at this time, we still have no evidence of community spread of COVID-19. While we know this news is concerning, it is not unexpected. We have watched the numbers of cases increase daily across the U.S., and it was just a matter of time before Texas announced its first case. This is a rapidly evolving situation, and we know it's unsettling for our residents. We want you to remember that there are things that you can do to protect yourselves and your families. Remaining calm is of utmost importance. You can help by not going to the emergency room unless it's essential. Emergency rooms need to be able to serve those with the most critical needs. If you have symptoms like a cough, fever, or other respiratory problems, please contact your doctor.
We, with the City of Houston, we're going to have a press conference of our own this afternoon or perhaps tomorrow morning to announce that our lab now has the capability to test for the virus that causes the COVID-19 illness. As you know, there were problems when the test was rolled out earlier. Those test issues have been resolved. We were doing our own internal testing and verification, which is part of the normal process, and that includes testing some actual samples. And so that's what happened today, was we did a test on some actual samples, which we were going to ensure were all being run properly, which we have in this case before we made the public announcement. The test results you have heard are characterized as presumptive positive, and that's the way that they are described. However, the CDC also points out these are in fact actionable results. So we believe that the result is in fact an actual positive. It will undergo a confirmation process at the CDC.
I want to underscore what my colleagues have said. I also want to express gratitude for your leadership, and Judge Hidalgo, as you all know, with Harris County, Judge Lina Hidalgo remains committed to working with you and our regional elected officials. Dr. Minter, thank you for your leadership as well in this. I know that this is a challenging situation, and I want to underscore the message that she has provided, which is it is a concerning development that we have had our first presumptive positive case. However, I want to make sure that everybody understands that that is something that we have been planning for, we have been preparing for some period of time. The reason that Dr. Peirce, myself, and others stand together is that our regional public health departments have been working together, we've been planning together, and we've been planning for a number of different scenarios.